With a few tips and the right tools, it's easy to remove laminate flooring on your own. And you can probably get the job done in one afternoon. Here's what you'll need. First, move the furniture and accessories from the room, if possible, so the floor is bare. Removing laminate is a straightforward process, but the tools you'll need will depend on the original installation method. Newer generation laminate was likely installed as a snap-and-click floating floor. These planks are easy to pull up and repurpose elsewhere. First, you'll want to remove the quarter round and baseboard around the perimeter of the room. If you plan on reusing this trim, take care not to damage it while prying it up. And snip any protruding nails from each piece before setting it aside. You may also want to label the walls and moldings for easier installation later. Next, you may need to remove transition strips from the room's thresholds. Some may unscrew, while others may need to be pulled up using a pry bar. Start removing the flooring at the wall with the tongue side of the laminate, prying each side up so that you can grasp the plank with your fingers. Wiggle and pull the plank at the angle to disconnect it from the adjacent piece. Continue one row at a time. Typically, planks become easier to remove as you move across the room. Once all the laminate has been removed, roll up the foam underlayment and discard it. Finally, use a wet-dry vacuum to remove dust and debris and prepare the area for your new flooring. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.